Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change by dy over dx. So this one I will put on the left, ds will put on the right. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. So this one we can put into y to the power of negative 1 over 3 dy. Next, we have the formula in here. So we have y to the power of n dy equals to y to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So we can apply the formula in here. The integration of the s, we have s and I will put about c. This one we have 2 over 3. This one we have 2 over 3. And that is the final answer. Now let's go to the second one. This one we change by dy over dt. So y we put on the left, dt we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. And this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. This one, we have t to the power of 3, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.